Thanks for joining me today. This is the everyday makeup look that I came up with today, and I will show you the products that I'm using to get this look, and a lot of them are new from the Sephora sale, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala, and today I wanted to make a video and just kind of reuse some of the new products that I got from the Sephora savings sale. So I had already primed my face with the Glossier priming moisturizer, and now I'm going to go in with the Purito BB cream. This is not new, I'm just trying to go through it. I already finished my Merit skin serum, so I'm now using this Glossier priming moisturizer as primer, and it's really nice. It just feels like lotion, and I like those kind of textures. So I just wanted to do something just kind of an everyday look, something simple, something pretty, something with sparkles on the eyes. So we'll see where it goes. I hope everyone's been doing well and their week has gone well at work. It's almost the weekend. Here in Oregon, we've definitely gone into fall season, and it is cold. It's getting cold for sure. And I know Simply Blair was saying that in South Carolina, I don't remember where she was, which of the Carolinas she's in, but that it's like really hot there. But like for us, on the contrary, it's getting colder every single year here. We get more snow, which is unusual for such a mild state. We get more snow in parts of the state that doesn't normally get a lot of snow. We usually get like a little bit of snow, like an inch, like every other year. And now it's been much more every year. So things have been getting cooler in these parts. So what else? I'm gonna go in with this Arnica concealer from Era Perez. I wanted to use the setting powder from in this palette. So let me figure out which one was the setting powder. Finishing powder and finishing powder. So they're both finishing powders. Okay, so maybe I'll just use a different powder to set, and then I'll use the finishing powder on top at the end. So I'm just gonna go in with some of this Kosas powder. I'm gonna use this Mario shaping stick just as like a contour. I want to see if I'm consistently using something, how long it will take to use it up. So I have this much, which is not that much. I don't know why the top layer, it's so weird. The top layer is like broken off. I don't know how that happened. So I'm just gonna keep it down low, but I just want to see how quickly I can get through something, and then I'll move on to like maybe a blush. I'll try using a blush consistently and pick like a neutral colored blush so that I can still keep my makeup videos interesting with like eyeshadow, different eyeshadow looks. But yeah, I'm definitely curious, like if people do have more than one product of something, how long does it take to get through it realistically? And I mean, I do my makeup fairly often, like nearly every day, whether I'm making a YouTube video or not. I love to do my makeup. Even just going simply to the grocery store, anywhere, I look forward to putting it on. And okay, next, I'm gonna use this palette, the Jellyfish palette. Yesterday I had on just this blush, so I'm gonna do that today too. And I'm going to build it up just so it looks the most pigmented, so you guys can see its color. It really does have a weird diffused look about it. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to go into the highlighter in there. Then I'm going to use a bronzing brush. I like this BK107 for bronzer, and it fits just right into that palette. It's fluffy enough and it's not too dense, and you can angle it if you want. You can keep it wide if you want. I use it for so many reasons, so many different products. Definitely has like an airbrushed look already, and I haven't even used the finishing powders. So I think I'll just do my eyebrows really quick. I'm still just going through this Nature Republic brow pencil. For brow gel, I'm just going to use the Clear Kosas brow gel. For lips, I already know what I'm going to do, so I'm going to use this Anastasia lip liner in Deep Taupe. And I'm just going to go over that with the Merit lip oil in Marrakech. go into the eyeshadow palette. I think I'm gonna go in with this warmer sandy. It is powdery, but it feels really, really, really nice when you're blending it on your eyelid. I mean, really nice. I don't even know. I really like the Pat McGrath eyeshadows, but I feel like this is much smoother. Then I'll go into this warm color as well. That's EE12. Okay, I'm gonna have to blend that out. Gonna go back in, go to bottom lash, go into the top other eye, that's really pretty already. And then I might just go in with a little bit of the darker, but I'm gonna go in with this shimmery dark color. Okay, and then I might try using the darkest brown as eyeliner. And then for the topper, I may go in with the gold at the top there. I can't believe how smooth it is when I run my finger over it. It's so, so smooth. There it is. That's really pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with mascara. Then I'm going to go back into this palette, and I'm just going to pick up both of the finishing powders and just kind of go over everything. That is so pretty, unbelievable. It looks so flawless. I realized that I completely forgot to use this, so I'll just use that next time. But I have like, I don't know if you can see it in the light. You can't, but it's like, it's exactly right here. So I'm just trying to use it up. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. That definitely looks like an everyday look. Just gonna run everything over with a sponge. The blush definitely has like a very fresh look to it. It's really pretty. Just that light pink in the palette is really, really nice. So I think next time I'll, oh, sorry, this one. I think next time I'll try using this one. It has a little bit more purple in there. So I will use that on its own just to see what that looks like. This has more of like a rosy pink to it, but the other one, I'm curious what that looks like on its own. So I'll do that for sure next time. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for hanging out, staying with me, and watching the whole video. And I'd love to hear from you guys what your thoughts are on if you guys picked anything up. I'd love to hear about it, and I will respond to your comments. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.